Hi, this video is going to show you how to use the marketing plan template, or the marketing campaign checklist as we also call it. This document is one of our free tools that we offer to our customers as a free download from our website. You can use it as an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheet, whichever way you want to download it. It is a great template that gives you more details on your marketing campaigns and is a great tool to use for planning your marketing activities. It is good to have everything in one place so you have a clear snapshot of the promotions you are running in your business. In this spreadsheet, we have already preloaded some different types of marketing activities that you can use as suggestions, as there are multitudes of ways that you can promote your business and the channels that you can use. To complete this checklist, we've added several columns that have important information. These are the name of the promotion, the type of promotion. Is it a free offer, a buy one get one free, or a discount? What's your start date? What's your finish date? The cost, the type of channel that you're using. Is it a traditional? Is it digital? Is it social? Is it online? And then the media type. These are always good to know so that you can have a really good blend of a marketing mix of your marketing activities, because it's best to have a blend of traditional, social, digital, and online rather than just promoting through one type of channel only. So you can see on this template we have lots of ideas. This was used for a restaurant, so you can see we've got Australian Good Food Guide, Zomato, TripAdvisor, Google Places, which is a part of your Google My Business. Profile is good to have as well, newsletters, competitions, and lots of different types of promotions. There are plenty of blank lines for you to also complete with whatever ideas that you are using. So that is all you need to do to use the marketing template or the marketing plan template, and wish you happy marketing.